Nanubabo kabalen! Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, we were invited for the second time by Kuya JC Fried Chicken. But this time, sa Angeles City branch naman po yung ating pinisita. If you're into chicken, burgers, and spaghetti, you gotta watch this one. Baka matakam ko kayo. Samahan niyo po ko. Let's go! Ayun nga guys, last week galing tayo sa Florida Blanca and this time na-invite tayo muli ng Kuya JC Fried Chicken dito sa may Angeles City. So located ang branch na to dito sa may Mining, Angeles City. Pinaka-landmark siguro dito is yung Flying V gas station. Now, siguro from that gas station around 200 meters, makakarating ka na dito sa store. Nga guys, last week galing tayo ng kanilang Florida Blanca branch and ang mga in-order natin din mostly mga chicken burger, beef burger, and at the same time nag 2-piece chicken tayo with rice naman. Now, in-order natin dito is a different dish. So meron tayo dito spaghetti plus 2-piece chicken. Now, additionally, I'm surprised. Meron pala silang mga chicken wings dito. So they have, I think, 5 flavors, but in order natin is yung kanilang buffalo wings and one more burger that is coming up. Okay, so umpisahan na natin ito. Gagawin natin guys, we're gonna mix this all up. So I think this is well mixed. Meron din tayong gravy dito as well as yung mga drinks natin. So we have iced coffee and I think this is para mga apple juice or lime juice. No? Let's taste it. So muna tikman yung kanilang, again, pinagmamalaking crispy fried chicken. Look at this. Finger licking good. I gotta commend, no? Yung size ng mga cuts nila dito is actually, big. Siyempre, isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng mga fried chicken din, yung kanilang gravy. Not again, I'm impressed. Oh, I think the burger's coming in. Oh, look at that! So apparently, I can actually compare yung burger na to, look at this burger, from the previous one that we tried sa Florida Blanca. But I think this is double, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah! Look at this. So this is a double patty chicken burger, no? This one's a little bit messy, pero for sure it's worth it. Let's try it. This is gonna be your first time seeing Kuya JC Fried Chicken. My recommendation is go get the chicken burger. And then for the wings, go explore their other flavors. Yung in-order natin is a buffalo wings. I think I underestimated it. It's a little bit spicy for me. Actually dito, you can dine in or you can also take out yung bucket nila. I think it's just around 349 pesos. That's 7 pieces of chicken. So pwede na dinner or lunch or kapag nagpa-potluck, pwede na yan. Alright, so again, thanks so much for watching Pampanga. Please share this video and give it a thumbs up. Pag sinare po ninyo, tag niyo po ang Pampanga. Thanks so much for watching Pampanga. Peace out.